Hello everybody, so I thought I'd do a DIY video for you guys today on dyeing clothes. I have about a couple different t-shirts here. Eagles t-shirt. I found this really cute Pretty Little Thing t-shirt that I'm also gonna dye. It's Aldi's shirt, which I honestly have been loving like branded tees lately, and Aldi's is like one of my favorite grocery stores, so I could totally make that a trend, make this like, you know, dye it up, make it cute. Also this Villanova t-shirt. One thing to consider, well, I have these two as well, which I previously have dyed in the past. And they turned out alright, but I just feel like I could give them another like touch. So I'm gonna try and dye them again and see if like something comes of it. Could turn out cuter than it is now. So one thing to take into consideration though is really pay attention to the material of your clothes and t-shirts that you have. A lot of the times I'll just like find random tops and want to dye them, and they end up not dyeing at all. So for now on, what I do is I just dye cotton shirts, just because I know cotton t-shirts will dye. A lot of them don't. So second thing you'll need is rubber bands. These are very important. If you can, buy a huge bag because they do break when you're putting wrapping the shirts up and everything. So just get them in bulk. It's easier that way. And then also some type of container to put the bleach and water in. You'll do half bleach and half water in this. And I have a couple of these. I actually just bought a tie-dye kit once, and I held on to these just because I knew I'd be using them in the future. So go find like a tie-dye kit and hold on to all the items that are in that. They'll have also gloves. Gloves is also another thing that you need as well. So buying a tie-dye kit is always just the easiest way. But again, these rubber bands you will need more of. So just buy a big bag. And then lastly, we'll need bleach and some water as well. So you'll, like I said, do half bleach, half water. And then first step that I'm going to do right now is I'm going to begin tying up all my t-shirts in the pattern that I want them to come out. So let's start with that. T-shirts wrapped up with rubber bands. I put at least 3 on each to make sure they're secure and they don't come undone while waiting until the dye is done. And then also I already did one. I'm excited to see how it turns. So this is the first one of the tops that I bleached. This is actually bleached twice. This is one of the pieces that I decided to do again because I didn't like how it turned out, and now I'm super happy with how this turned out because now we have like different colors going on, not just one, and I love it, and it's ready to go in the shop. Alright, and this little Pretty Little Thing top, well, it's a big oversized tee that I had dyed. I love how this turned out. This is so dope, and I mean, you could still kind of see the original color that was on there, and then it also lightened in other areas that I had already dyed. Totally love and happy with how this turned out, and I think I'm done with this pink and white. It's good enough for me. I just think the first time it didn't have enough dyeing spots, so now I'm happy with it. So it's ready for the shop as well. Alright, and this one I'm so excited for just because I love Obey. I think it needed a little something more, so that's why I decided to dye it, and extremely happy with how this one also turned out. This one is the second dye job, and I love how it turned out. You know, actually created some more color in this because there was really only this color going on, and now we have 2 different colors going on in this shirt. And I also decided to cut it, make it cropped. Love, love, love how that turned out. And this also was second time around, cropped it. You know, we do have like I think 2-3 different colors going on here, and I'm super happy with that turned out as well. This is one of my favorites. I love the color that came through here. I think it like matches really well with what else is going on with the t-shirt. And I decided to crop this. It's not too cropped, so it's just enough crop that it can be, you know, a crop. But I love it. It's ready for a alumni or student or fan. That about sums it up for my bleach dyeing tips and tutorial. I highly encourage you all to go through your closets and see if you know there's any t-shirts or items in there that could use some bleach or dye, just because it really does, you know, add something to that piece and could really help complete a look. So I highly encourage it. It's a great project to do while in quarantine. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel below and follow me on Instagram at Anna Marie Vasquez and my vintage shop at Vintage by Vasquez. Alright, thank you all so much for watching.